Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Office Traikam jong ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills ha ka thong ban kinteu ya ka puli puthi ha po ka district kat kum balabu thong bat proit dang ha ka RTE Act arajar khandai ha ka arphotrik unai ber arajar arphulai kala penlong ya ka program a Jinghikai ba Kyrpang ne ka benta ki principal head teacher jong ki school ha inclusive education resource center mi mentedu ka thong jong ne ka program ka long ban penshai bat pen snotho ki principal ki head teacher jong ki school shapang ka kamram ki borpet bor penya jong ki school ha ka Jingïadei bat ki Khynnah badan jingduna ha ki department bat ru Kyrpang shapang ki hok jong ki Khynnah kat kum ka RPWD Act arajar khat reo ki reo start reo shampang ke SSA West Jaintia Hills bakintop ya ka Mary G Momin block resource person IE haringkat ULK Sing coordinator IE SSA West Jaintia Hills kila keren bat batai shapang ke inclusive education batru ki arpway tili ki jat jingpang ki papenha hapo ka ain RPWD Act arajar khat reo kani ka program ai Jinghikai ni ka training kandang peteng shushu ha ka arpway bat arpu artrik unai leber arajar arpulai da ka papenlong ya ka 2 days teacher need analysis training on inclusive education kat bah ka arpulai trik pat kan don ka orientation program for parents guardian of CWSN on inclusive education.
In the past, the children with disability, they are not included in the general school, where the general children are in the classroom or with the other children. They are not included. The children with special needs, in the past, in the 1890s, they are segregated. But how do they get education? How do they get education? These children, we are talking about children with special needs. These children with special needs, in the past, in the 1890s, up to 2000, you can say, up to 20s, these children, at that time, these children, before the inclusive education come up, these children are engaged in the special school. Their education is done in special school. What does it mean when we say special school? A special school means is meant only for the specified disability. For example, a children with blind. A children with blind. These children do their education well. In school for the blind. Which caters only for the blind. Right? So that means it's a special school only for them. Meaning that a student with other disability cannot come to the school with a blind. So that's why that school is said to be a special school. Which is only for the blind or the low vision. Or when you talk about a child with hearing impaired, he can't hear. Then again a special school for them, a school for the children with hearing impairment. So that is a special school only for them. And again, a benchmark for children with special needs. What is that benchmark? That how can you say a person is disabled? Is a person with one eye disabled? One eye blind?
Yes.
Disabled. It's blind? Oh, sorry. It's disabled?
Yes.
With one eye blind.
Disabled, yes.
Di bawah Hima, bawah Hima. They disabled. Kat many of disabled.
Yes, sir.
That's what it has to be. There to be a benchmark of that. So the medical practitioners, how do they certify whether the child is disabled or not? There should be a percentage for that. So the benchmark disability for a person to certify as a disabled children or a disabled person has to be a 40% above. Then we shall consider a child or a person as a disabled. But now just as that